Welcome to my next seated dance exercise, choreographed by me, Samantha Jennings. I have some other take your seat choreographed exercises to do, which I hope you'll enjoy. So this is a warm-up. Its basic requirement is that it warms you up, it raises the heartbeat, and it's enjoyable too. So, as usual in our seated dance, since it's not just simply an exercise, we're going to bring in a little bit of story and visual imagery. So for this, today, I have two delightful pink scarves here with me. So you can use one scarf if you wish, or you don't need to use a scarf, but it does help you get the feeling of being a beautiful swan. So the theme then is Swan Lake, and we're going to start off by I'm going to teach it through and then do it with music. We're going to start off by 3 arm waves that are going from low to medium to high. And this is really great for those of you out there who have a little stiffness in the shoulders, because obviously you can go as high as you want. But for those with slightly stiff shoulders, maybe you only go to the arm length, the arms at shoulder height. So we've got 3 movements. Beautiful soft elbows, just like swans, is what you're going to feel. That's it. And we're going to cross the arms over and out. We're going to do it again. 3 arm waves, very slowly, very gracefully, just like the swans you see down at the park. And then we're going to cross the arms over and just dip the head, just like a swan crossing its wings over. And you're just going to rest your head in the hole there. Okay, so that's the first little bit of it. And then we are going to do some arm circles with the scarf all the way around. Okay, and 4 of these with each arm. 3 big circles, big as you can do, like so. Now the next bit, we're going to put a little bit of action in, because I thought that a little bit of Swan Lake mime would be good. You can put the scarves on your lap just quickly before the music, and we put our foot behind in a little sort of like curtsy position, and we look down at a great big lake. We're saying this lake here was made from my mother's, you can cross your heart, tears. And for tears, we're going to wave the fingers down the front of the face like that. Or actually, I'm going to change my mind there. We're going to put the hands facing face is better. So tears. So the lake, which we do twice, is made from my mother's. We just cross the chest, tears. And those fingers down the front of the face. Good. Then the very last bit, we pick the scarves back up and we do some ripples in the water twice and repeat. And then we cross one arm behind and one arm over the head, if you can manage. If you have difficulties with that, just cross the arm in front. It's slightly easier, okay? Not so much work in the shoulder. See, I'm over there, and then over the other side. Okay, so it's a bit like the swan hiding its head, under its wing, kind of thing. Right then, that's it. So hopefully you're ready to do it with me, with the music, and hope you really enjoy it. Let's go.